Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Bitget account. So let's say, for example, you already have created your Bitget account and you are now under your Bitget dashboard. So a few things to check, okay? Make sure that you go ahead over to your profile right here. Go ahead over to identity verification so that you'll be verified, okay? Now, once you're verified, you will now be able to convert, trade, or deposit cryptocurrencies under your Bitget wallet. Now, to verify again, just click on identity verification right here. And as you can see, I'm already verified. If yours is not, well, just click on verify your account right here. You'll have that button, okay? And as you can see here, my account can access withdrawals, crypto deposits, fiat deposits, and P2P trading. Now, just basically follow simple prompts. And once that's done, go back to your profile at the top. Now, go ahead and click on security. Now, for you to be able to trade, for you to be able to buy and sell, okay, your crypto, well, you will need at least your Google Authenticator, your phone number, biometrics, and of course, your email. Your email right here will be enabled by default. So at least you have 3. Google Authenticator, these are the most important ones. Google Authenticator 1, biometrics 2nd, phone number 3rd, okay? And if you want to, you could go ahead and enable these all. All right. And once that's done, okay. And by the way, if you don't know how to add in Google Authenticator, we have a separate video for that. Just go ahead and look it up on the channel. So once you have the verification methods set up, well, you're good to go. You can now go ahead and trade, go ahead and buy and sell, and do what you want under your Bitget account. And that is how easy it is to set up your Bitget account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.